Hey friends, a lot of people know that we have this clock at the bottom right corner in Windows computers, especially Windows 11. However, if you notice, this clock is in the format of hour and minutes, but what if you want seconds? So the procedure to get seconds is simple. Right click on the start button and select taskbar settings. In the taskbar settings window, expand the list for taskbar behaviors, which was the last option here. And in the taskbar behavior or window, you'll get this option show seconds in system tray clock. Once you check the box, seconds will be visible here. Now it says that it uses more power, but it doesn't use a lot of power, so you can definitely consider it. And if you wish to turn it off, then the obvious solution is to simply uncheck this checkbox here. And once you uncheck this checkbox here, the option will be gone. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know in the comment section. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.